All right, boom, baby. Well, welcome back to iSpider Garage, and today we've got something really fun. We're going to go check out SoCal Speed Shop, which I think could change the name to Vintage. And then we are also going to bring our buddy Brad, and apparently there's a new neighbor that's got some hot rod stuff too, so we'll swing by on the way to check that out, and boom. All right, check out this door. This is awesome. All right, so we're gonna open the door. Just a little switch. Check that out. And then this one. And then we go to the second switch. How cool is that? There we go. Oh, look at that, huh? And what's cool is it all tucks back in. You don't even see it. You would never even know. So now we go reverse. There we go. What? Awesome. See, you can't even tell. Can't even tell. All right, check out these buttons. These are awesome. Go all the way back, all the way forward. Jack forgot something at home, so we're gonna go get him. Check out this van, look at that. Boom, this thing's awesome. Road trip it over there. All right, we made it. We made it to Vintage. Are you ready to pop this thing open, Jack?
I don't know how.
We use the buttons. Watch, check this out.
Okay.
Isn't that rad?
The other one.
Oh,
There you go.
there we go. Hey, there you go. Look at that. I was just talking about these.
Okay, there you go. Light brown.
Dude, throw some big white walls on there. Slam it down. Jack, check out the dash on this thing.
Is there a motor in it?
Ain't much for a gas tank.
Yeah. That's pretty cool though. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Yeah, I love it. Lots of cool stuff, huh?
Absolutely.
You find anything you want?
All kinds of things.
That's right. Yeah, me too.
We'll find something out here.
Yeah. This is probably the more fun area, I think. $3,000.
You get a cab, as long as you use a cab. Got a box and a cab.
This is pretty cool. You think it's worth $3,000?
I had one. you know, notched out so the axle could be up in there.
I like that.
I like the bed of SoCal chassis. It's painted like SoCal.
It was a SoCal car one time, wasn't it?
Yeah, it might have been.
Well, it might just stop that.
It's got your name on it right here. It says Brad.
We're gonna put it in the iSpider garage.
Sure, yeah. We'll track the whole thing. What do you think we should do?
Should we build a 32, or should we buy a 22 GT500?
Yeah, hey, let's see what they say. Here's some old steering wheels. Where's that? Yeah, I'm back here. $75.
Mm-hmm.
You think that's a good price for a Ford carb?
Well, they're not 97s, but if
Yeah.
you need a carburetor, yeah, it's probably okay.
Man, I feel like they've got probably every. Are these all Ford? Do you think?
Yeah, probably most of them. This ain't.
What is that one?
I don't know.
Probably.
These kind of look like someone kind of went through them.
Yeah.
You got to watch. A lot of the threads are stripped right out where the gas line.
Right.
Got to make sure if you buy one that threads ain't gone in there.
Yeah. I don't know if they would fit.
Maybe a Chevy, huh?
Yeah.
Like
Oh, like if. Yeah. They probably want a couple $100 for it, but
I don't think so. Not in this stuff.
no. What do you think they'd want for that?
I don't know. We could
$50. Right. Well, they had a stack of them. Look, there's a whole stack right here. And they're in rough condition, but I thought these are so cool. They probably wouldn't fit on there, though, huh?
Yeah, you wouldn't want that on there, I don't think.
No. Kind of cool, though.
Here's some, what I'm talking about, that torque tube.
Oh.
Down through the center, you know, not like a dry shaft.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, I wonder if they have my thing here.
The axle, the rod ain't there.
Yeah.
That's probably something back in the corner there, probably.
You think they'd have my,
I don't think they handle. You could ask them, but I don't think they handle. You know,
yeah.
they might have something laying around.
Right, right. Are you having fun, Brad? All types of cool stuff.
You can see it how much bigger they are compared to that little one.
Did you guys already poke around in here? That's cool. Oh yeah, there you go. Is this what you're talking about? $1,200. Dang. Hey, here you go. Just get this. It's already done. Dude, this is, yeah. Yeah.
There's your 97 and top of it. I can just tell there's these rods that hook up on it. In fact, this one, maybe the same.
Oh, on this side?
No, maybe the same a 97. It might be like a 94 or something. It might say there if you could see good enough. But it's not a 97.
5281.
Okay, that don't say nothing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Jack, I wonder if that's the motor right there out of the 32. You think that's the motor out of it?
No, it's a VA60. The one that
It's
been
not
in
out
there.
of that?
Yeah. Well, here was 6,500 bucks.
Hey, there you go. This is cool. Buy it. Throw it on that chassis. You're good. Good to go. Yeah, this thing is killer. This thing is cool.
How do we get that to my house?
Jack was just telling us that he had one of these for $3,000. Is that right? $3 grand?
Finished style, yeah.
Finished and all done, $3
In the
grand.
late 60s.
Late 60s, yeah. Pretty cool.
It's on the National Streetlight Association. Their logo is still on there.
Oh, nice. And now Brad's gonna buy one. Aren't you, Brad?
We got $3,000 to work with.
You got it. You got it.
We're gonna go inside and talk to them, see if we can get them for $3 grand.
That's right. You got this one. Does that go on that frame? That
Yeah.
frame that was out
Yeah,
there?
It's designed for it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a 32 frame.
And there's the
There you go.
control
Yeah,
arms and
there's all the
axles right
extras
there.
right there.
You've got almost a whole car.
We have a rolling chassis if you want.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That was steering wheel.
I feel like that'd be easy to pick up. Right here, looking at this bad boy. Yeah, this thing's awesome. This is right up my alley, I'll tell you that much. Probably not. Well, actually, maybe they've got it all the way, as much room as you can get. I would, for this thing, I would make myself fit. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's killer. Oh, it looks like the top on your truck, huh?
It does, I got the little flare up. I was looking at that.
Yeah.
State side, I went home and get one all done.
Yeah.
Can go home and
Street side, is that what you're talking about?
Street side.
Yeah, yeah.
Check it out. Is it close by?
It's on the way.
Yeah. It's on
Yeah.
Mesa Drive.
Ah, yes, best day ever. Ah, that's cool. Then he just wheels up to there. On the road again.
Okay.
Everybody hang on.
Okay.
I'm gonna floor it. All right, we got the best friend day. Us three dudes are now at street side. Got the wagon chilling over there. Oh, sorry. Yep. Go check out some more classics. Boom, baby. Brad, I got right here. This is it, Brad. Oh, man. Just put these two in my driveway. I'll be happy. That is killer. Oh, this is amazing. This thing's killer.
We talk about our cars.
Yeah. Beware. That's a pretty cool van.
54.
54?
I'm on my glasses. I can't read. 53 or 4, but they didn't make many 53, so it's probably
Yeah.
69 Camaros.
Yeah? Yeah, they're pretty sick. I wouldn't mind having one of those.
Here you go, brother. Here's your Volkswagen.
You think this is the original interior, Jack?
No.
No? This probably has something newer, huh?
It's a stock style car, but it's high rod or not.
Yeah.
Everybody used to use these buttons back in our day.
Oh.
Lincoln, when you fill in your doors,
Yeah.
and you had that little button instead of
Having the handle.
Yeah.
Could I do that to my car?
Yeah, and I think somebody makes that reproduction.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it just pushes in on that.
Ah. I learned
think
something.
Somebody makes it for anyone.
This thing would be fun. Yeah. Like driving around a go-kart. I can see Brad whipping around the neighborhood in one of these. Dude, is this your car?
There's no price on that.
There's no.
I can't see that good. They usually got a big price. But
What year is it?
Oh, yeah, no, there's no.
enormously, instantaneously. It moved. The speed changes.
You see this thing? There we go. This is killer.
Wow, that's nice. Where's that? No, no. When I was in high school, my buddy's dad had one of these C-28s,
Yeah.
and I believe it was a 4-speed. And it was the first time I ever experienced a guy doing a burnout. He went from first gear, did a burnout, shifted into third, skipped second gear altogether, and just kept on burning out in third gear all the way down the street.
Dang.
Close, and just kept on burning out.
Yeah, it's a cool car. It's got the right seats and everything. But this one doesn't.
Something to distinguish it being a Lightning besides the motor and the seats. It don't have no ground effects like, you know,
Yeah.
the later ones.
I think we found something for Brad. What do you guys think? Almost?
Yeah.
Hey, that was a fun trip.
Well, it's great.
2 stops. I mean, why not? Boom, baby.
I can see us doing this again sometime.
Yeah, sign me up.